Hola y bienvenidos a todos. Hello, I welcome you all. Buenas tardes, ¿cómo estáis? How are you all? So in today's video, we are going to talk about a very basic and important topic of Spanish. I'm going to tell you all two words in Spanish today, and I'm going to tell you the difference between them. Okay, they are same and they sound same also, but they are different. Okay, the meaning of those words are different. So I'm going to tell you all about see and see. Okay, so what is the difference between these two words? There is a big difference between these two words. They look similar, the spelling of these words are similar, but they are different. The meaning of these words are different. Don't be confused between these two words, and do not use them interchangeably. Okay, please do not do that. Okay, in today's video we are going to learn about see versus see. Okay, so can you see any difference between these two spellings? The spellings are same, S-I, see. Okay, but as you can see, the difference is the accent. Okay, one is with accent, the tick, and another one is without accent. Okay, is with normal dot, normal I. Okay, so the first one is with accent, the other one is without accent. Okay, so let's talk about the accent one. The very first C will be with accent, C, which means yes. Okay, so yes in Spanish. So let's take an example with C with accent. If someone is asking me a question, do you live in Delhi? So tu vives en Delhi? Tu vives en Delhi? Do you live in Delhi? I will respond, sí, yo vivo en Delhi. So with accent will be sí, yes. Okay, another one, if someone is asking me, would you like to go with me? Would you like to dance with me? Let's say that. ¿Te gustaría bailar conmigo? Would you like to have a dance with me? Would you like to dance with me? Okay, I will respond like, sí, me gustaría bailar contigo. Okay, so that will be I would like to. That's what I'm saying. We will learn this tense later, but yeah, I would like to. So the main thing is I'm answering C, yes. Okay, so let's learn the another one which is also C, but that the meaning of that word is different. So the another one C, which will be without accent, that will be C. Okay, C only, we will pronounce that same, but the meaning of that C is different, which will be if or sometimes whether. So let's take an example with this C without accent, which will be if I want to say if she is there in the party, if she is there in the fest, then I will also go, or I'm going to go also. Okay, that will be easier. We are taking present tense only, indicative. Okay, si ella está en la fiesta, if she is there in the party, yo voy a ir, ya फिर we can say yo iré, I will also go. Let's repeat. Si ella está en la fiesta, yo voy a ir en la fiesta. Okay, let's take another one example. So let's take another one example. If I want to say like, if you want to watch the movie, si quieres ver la película, if you want to watch the movie, I'm going to watch it. Okay, yo voy a verla. Okay, so this tense is different. We haven't done that part, but we will do all these tenses. The main focus will be that we are using if. And the main topic is if. Okay, so if you would like to do that, I will do that. So that if the without accent C is if, with accent C is yes. Okay, so that was it in today's video. We have learned about C versus C. One C is with accent, another one is without accent. Okay, so and also just let me know, did you like it or not, the video, and make the examples and phrase them differently with C and C also. Okay, make the sentences also, use them as much as you can. Okay, adios, hasta pronto.